welcome back to another episode of the podcast. So I have with me a very special guest, the amazing woman behind L&D, Miss Ma. Woo! Hi,
Amazing
Miss.
woman talaga.
Kamusta naman kayo, Miss? How are you during this holiday season?
Wala pang holiday, pero I'm looking
Almost.
forward to the vacation.
Wow! Ano yung nilook forward niyo sa vacation, Miss?
Yung maglilinis ako ng bahay at ang aking Harry Potter every year.
Wow! Tradition yun,
Oh, tradition
Miss.
every year.
Kung kalulad kayo ni Miss Mao na mayroong tradition for the Christmas, or since Christmas is the season of giving, our topic today is actually kind of related to that. How do we maximize our potential for the greater good? How do you define potential beyond personal success?
Feeling ko talaga Miss Universe to me. But my definition of potential evolved over time. So when I was younger, I thought that potential means achievement. Yung magaling ka, yun yung potential. But later on, nag-iba yung meaning. So, magkukwento ko ng konti, Ray, ha? Konti lang.
Yes.
How I discovered it. Because I did not discover the meaning of potential on my own. So, siguro high school ako noon. I was in my room. Kakapin ko lang ng last medal na napanalunan ko sa Quiz Bee. So, I was admiring all the medals from ceiling to floor na ginawa ko siyang decor. Dumating yung uncle ko. My uncle came in and he said, looking at the wall, sabi niya, wow, ang daming medal ah. Pwede ba natin isang layan?
Typical uncle.
Oo, so, pwede ba natin isang layan? I wasn't able to answer that. But, young as I was, I already stopped to think. Sabi ko, oo nga no, para saan to? What's
Wow.
next? Ayan.
At
Hindi
what
ko pa rin
age,
siya
Miss?
nasagot.
At what age?
13, 14 years old.
Grabe.
So, hindi ko siya nasagot. So, pero, I also questioned myself. Ito bang galing ko? Kasi mahilig akong mag-aral eh. So, ito bang galing ko? Ano na ba siya? Ito na ba yun? Sa duda ko, I tried to look for my other abilities. Nag-choir pa nga ako. Nag-choir ako! Huwag ka nang magpasapon. So, pero, matyaga kasi ako na if I wanted something, kukunin ko siya. So, alam ko na yung potential mangyayari lang kapag nag-effort talaga ako. So, innate man yan or hinown ko, yan yung potential ko. And pag magaling na magaling ako, yan ang potential ko. And so, I tried choir. Minsan sa bahay namin, nagpa-practice ako. So, my lolo, my ever gentle and
Grabe,
kind
hindi ko
lolo.
alam about sa'yo, Miss. Nag-choir pa.
Oo, nag-choir ako. Oo, maniwala ka. So anyway, nagpa-practice ako sa bahay. My lolo came in. And my lolo is very kind, very gentle. So nakikinig lang siya sa akin habang kanta-kanta ko doon. Tapos maya-maya, tumayo, inakbayan ako ganyan. Sabi niya, Apo, mag-volleyball ka na lang kaya. Tawang-tawa talaga ako. That was really subtle yung saying, Apo, wala dyan ang potential mo, tingin. So yun.
At is concerned.
Oo, pero sobrang masunurin ako. Nag-volleyball nga ako. So nag-volleyball ako, syempre sporty type kasi masyado akong bookworm eh. So nag-volleyball ako, lagi naman akong bangko. Bangko lagi. So, yung team na yon, yung team namin, yung class namin, so varsity, dahil lagi akong nakaupo dyan, may mga times na meron akong mga kaklase, palakol girls yung tawag nila sa sarili nila kasi laging line of 7 and grade, ganyan. Pero hindi naman bumabagsak, pero malapit na. So, lagi silang nandoon at lagi ako may time. So, lapit sila sa akin, tapos, yun, dahil matagal akong nakaupo, hindi ako naglalaro, magpapatulong sila sa akin. So, ano yung ibig sabihin nitong assignment natin? So, naging every practice yun. So, after nung one grading period, pagtingin namin sa grade nila, hindi na sila palakol girls. Line of 8 na yung mga grades nila. One of them actually became top 10 pa nga, kaya talagang grabe yung palakpakan namin eh. Pero, sobrang saya ko na wala na silang palakol. Hindi naman ako nag-exam, pero feeling ko parang, okay, ito pala yun. So, kasi pag ako yung nakakuha ng grade na mataas, wala eh, kasi alam ko na eh, na doon ang pupuntahan ko eh. Dahil pinaghirapan ko. Pero pag pala na-share mo yung galing mo sa iba, kapag nagkaroon ng impact and change sa kanila, mas rewarding, mas, I don't know, it was more meaningful for me. So, doon nag-umpisa yung pag-iba ng definition ko ng potential beyond my own success. So it's, to me, it's when you have the ability, but it is not just about yourself, but when you can share it with others and it makes things different for them.
Yeah.
Yun.
Wow!
Daldal.
Sobrang deep nun na it came from you, from such a young age. Na parang yun yung definition yun ng potential. Ako naman, Miss, parang just to also add dun sa sinabi niyo, I feel like as I was thinking about this episode or as we're gonna record this episode, naisip ko yung meaning ng potential beyond personal success. Actually kind of related to you or how you do things in L&D. I feel like for me, from my experience of your leadership in Miss L, it's about creating space for the growth of others. I feel like yun yung best, that's the best thing that you always do for us. Parang you always allow us to do things even if sa ibang company or ibang organization, parang we wouldn't be able to do it. And I feel like that's one of the things that I've learned from you and coming then from your experience. Na it's really different if the potential or if you're able to help others. Kasi hindi lang sa'yo yung impact. Sa iba din or sa kanila din.
Diba? Lagi ko nga sinasabi, yung magaling ka, that should be a given. Kasi, hindi ka makakatulong sa iba kung hindi mo muna pinagbutihan yung sarili mo. Pero after that, yun yung tanong ko nung after kong tanungin sa medal para saan to? Ano na? And so, share it with others, it becomes more meaningful and sustainable.
Yeah. Ang hirap kasi to go through the ropes of life, especially if you're just doing it for yourself. Parang if you have a bigger purpose, mas madaling magpatuloy sa buhay. How do you think we can impact or use our potential for the greater good?
Masyadong malaki yung greater good. Ako, hindi naman ako nangarap na maging hero ng buong mundo. So, ang iniisip ko lang, yung good of others. So, I always start with, what am I good at?
Strength.
Yes, my own strength. And then, what do they need? So, yun yung alignment ko. Kapag alam ko na makakatulong ako, I really help people. Yung simpleng bagay na nag-train ka or nag-lead ka, if you can make things better for them, isang person lang, magre-ripple effect yun diba? So, akala mo isang tao lang, pero dadami at dadami kung kapareho ng mindset mo. So, hindi mo napapansin, ang dami na nagiging effect ng ginagawa mo. So, yun. Kung sarili mo lang, pag-ego lang, wala. Parang hanggang doon lang, mababaw yung happiness mo. Pero yung dumadami yung natutulungan mo and life becomes easier for them, or simply lang, nagawa ka ng, for example, ng bagong policy, or yun, nakita mo yung difficulty. So sabi ko nga, hahanapin mo yung what breaks your heart, what makes you angry, and then turn it around so that you can make things better for people. And that becomes the good that you do for others.
Yeah, right. So I like how you said na parang the greater good is kind of overwhelming to think about. Pero sabi niyo na parang start with where you are or start with what you can give to the people around you. And for those naman, Miss, na parang wants to take the first step in terms of giving more of themselves to the community. Kasi diba na-mention natin na iba yung impact kapag yung ginagawa mo, it's for a bigger purpose. For those who want to take the first step in terms of giving themselves more to the community, ano yung advice na maibigay nyo? Ano yung pwede nyo i-share sa kanila?
To those people who want to, can we say, find their purpose or give to the community, liitan lang natin, baka masyadong overwhelming pag inisip mo na community. To me kasi, it always starts at home. Sabi nga, it is better to light just one little candle, diba, than to stumble in the dark. So you start with who you are with. So for example, sa department mo. So there, dun ka magsimula. The key is self-awareness. Lagi kong inuulit to, self-awareness. Kasi you really have to pay attention to what's not working, to what's needed. Kasi otherwise, if you don't notice what needs to be changed or who needs help, then hindi mo rin ma-maximize yung potential mo, diba? So, you start with that. With noticing things, being observant, and then help one person at a time until it's already an entire community. So, for us, our community is our department and the entire UAS. So, dun muna tayo.
Oh, guys, self-awareness daw, emotional intelligence. Isa po yun sa mga 4 pillars ng emotional intelligence. Na isa po sa mga training na ino-offer niya.
Ino-offer namin next year. Meron na kaming emotional intelligence.
Yes. Pero, I like what you said, or parang, miss, I'm reminded of this podcast I was listening to also before, na in order to make an impact in the world, you have to find what you're good at, or what the world needs and what you're good at, and find common ground. Kasi if you're able to do that, you're not only able to realize your full potential or achieve the highest self, if that even is possible, but also you're able to contribute to whoever is around you, whether it's your home, it's the bigger community, or at work. Sobrang magiging malaki yung impact. Thank you so much, Miss. Is there anything that you'd like to share that you haven't shared yet? Or is there anything that you'd like to share to the UAS-verse or UAS family?
Since ang topic natin is all about maximizing potential, so given na dapat, and work the hardest to be good at what you do. But if you want it to be more meaningful, if you want a potential lived fully, share with others in many different ways that you can. Kahit little things lang. And you'll find the joy, the reward, na hindi lang yung nakalagay sa wall, tulad ko noon. But it's really something that's going to last you a lifetime. Plus the bonus that with what you're sowing, yung mga tinatanim mo, you might be able to get people who would pay it forward.
Wow!
Yeah.
Grabe, sobrang pang Miss Universe ng closing minutes. Sabi kasi ni Miss pang Miss Universe na yung mga questions, pero yung sagutan naman ni Miss sobrang pang Miss Universe din. Pero thank you so much for that, Miss Mau. And as you've asked your younger self, para saan to, I think we can answer that para dito.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Mau. Thank you so much, guys.